In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can take a YouTube video. We're going to post a YouTube video and make money on Clickbank just with a free YouTube video on a high traffic website, all for 100% free. So if this video sounds like a winner to you, then you want to stick around and watch this whole thing, because I'm going to show you two ways to get this done. So you want to stick around and keep watching this video, and don't skip ahead because you might miss some of the details to how to do this. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on it all. First of all, for those people that are new to my videos, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if this is your first time here to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, go on ahead while we're talking about it right now. Reach down there below your video, click that red subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell right beside it there so that you'll be the first one to know when I upload new videos to the channel, so you can come and take advantage of those right off the bat. Alrighty? Alright guys, well let's go ahead and get started on this. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to get a video. Now we're going to use Clickbank products here. Now if you can't access Clickbank, you can use Digistore 24. Guys, actually you can do this method with any niche that you want, any product that you want to use, any affiliate product that you want to use. So you can use Digistore24.com, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus, you can even use CPA products if you want to do this method with. But we're going to do for this method and how to do it today, I'm going to show you how to do it with a Clickbank product. And my niche that I've picked for this particular product is the weight loss niche. But to start off with, so what we want to do is we'll come here to the search engine at YouTube, and we're going to type in weight loss and see how many videos we come up with that. And what we want to do is, once we do that, you see you come up with all kinds of them here, weight loss videos. But what we want to do, so that we don't get caught for any kind of a copyright issue with YouTube, we want to come up here and we want to click on where it says filters right here, guys. And then we want to come over here under features and come down to Creative Commons right here and click on that. And that loads up. Now all of these weight loss videos, guys, we can use these for free without copyright issues with YouTube because we chose Creative Commons. Now also what we want to do is we want to come up here and click on filters again. You see we were on Creative Commons, but we want to click on view count so that we get the videos with the highest amount of views. Okay, so we're going to click on view count right here. So, and you can see that the videos it shows, these are all Creative Commons, and these all have like 7 million, 4.5 million views, 3.2 million views, and so on and so forth, all the way down through here, guys. So what we want to do is we just want to click and find a good video that we could use for our method today. We want to find a good video that gives some really good value in the video. And it doesn't have to necessarily be a long video, but maybe about a 10-minute video here. Let's see if we can scroll down here and find one. I kind of changed up a little bit here. If you notice up here in the search engine on YouTube, I typed in get a flat belly, and I did Creative Commons. Because the product I'm going to be using to show you this method on Clickbank has to do with flat belly. Okay, so I found this particular video right here. It's not real long, about 10 minutes. It says what I eat in a day for a flat tummy and a big booty. So what we'll do is we'll click on that video, and then what we want to do is we want to take this link right here. We're going to copy this link right up here, and then after that we're going to come over here to this site right here, guys. It's called Y2Mate. You see it right up here. It's y2mate.is. And we're going to download that YouTube video that we just copied right here off of this link that you see up here. Alrighty guys, yeah, and we paste in our YouTube link from that video right here in the YouTube video downloader. Find YouTube downloaders in Google. Just do a Google search for YouTube downloader and you'll find all kinds of them. This is just the one I picked for this, and you can see the video is right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to download it. Let's see here. We need to convert it to at least the 720p right here. So we'll go with that, and we'll click convert on that right there. And then you see it gives us the download link here, guys. So we're going to download that video, and it's going to, there it comes up here. You see it downloading right up here above my head here. And so it's already downloaded. Now, and we can go ahead and get rid of that. Now what we want to do is we're going to come over in our Clickbank. If you don't have an account at Clickbank, guys, it's free to create one. And like I said, you can use Digistore 24 if you can't access Clickbank. And create an account at Clickbank, get your account verified, because they'll send you an email confirmation. Come back, get logged in, click on Marketplace right up here where you see my mouse is. Brings you over here to the Marketplace page. And you can see that I typed in right here, lose weight, in their search engine right here, guys. And then I sorted it by gravity right here. And then that brought up all kinds of really good weight loss products here. There's lots of them here on Clickbank. Now, you guys, like I said, you can pick anything product you want from any niche that you see here in the categories in red here on the left. It doesn't matter for this method. You can do this with anything that you want. I'm just showing you weight loss today. Okay? Well, the product that I picked, those, I like this one right here. You can see it. It's the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. And you can make $136.21 per sale, and it does have recurring billing. You see right there, guys, where my mouse is, recurring billing. So that's a passive income that's paid every month again when the person re-ups again or buys more of the product. So if I click on here, you can see the sales page for this, and it's a nice video sales letter. And you can see that down here they have the products that you can see right here. They can purchase 1 bottle, 6 bottles, or 3 bottles, however. And then it gives some information and stuff, so on and so forth, down here. Now, and then so on and so forth. So what we want to do, that's the video sales letter we're going to use. And that's going to be our link. So we will come back and get our promote our link here in just a moment. Now, I wanted to see the affiliates page here because we may need to use some information off of this. So we want to, let's see if we can find, let's see here, top converting email swipes. So we're going to use these email swipes because these are all professionally written. If the product you choose has email swipes, you want to use the information off of those swipes in the method here. All right, so we'll come back to this in just a moment. Now, so we have our product. And thing, we've also got our video downloaded that we're going to use, and we have our product, and we're going to click here and get our promote link here in just a moment. So what we want to do, I'm going to show you now, guys. I told you I'm going to show you 1 or 2 ways that you can do this. One is probably better than the other. Okay, so stick around here. So once you've got all that, you've got your video, you've got your product picked out, and you got some information that you want to use on that marketing. We're going to come over and we're going to come to this site right here, guys. You see it up here in the address bar. It's called rumble.com. rumble.com. This site is a video site, and it's relatively new. It's only been around, I think, since January of this year, guys. About 6 months now. And it's starting to grow rapidly. People are posting videos here. It's sort of similar to YouTube in a way. People can come here and watch videos and so on and so forth, and host their own videos up here as well. So just to show you about the traffic of this site, if I click up here where my similar web is, you see it comes out here. If I scroll up, you can see we're on rumble.com here. And then if I scroll up, you can see, guys, look here, the monthly visits right now, 105.9 million people come to this site every single month to watch videos or upload their own videos to this site. So what you want to do is you want to come here. It's free to sign up here, guys. Just click on sign up or sign in here. And if you click on that, you can see that you can create a local account right here. And if you don't have one, it says right here, create one. You can click on that or create a local one. Or you can, down here, you can see that you can sign in with your Facebook, your Google, or your Apple ID as well. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account. All right, and you can see we're signed in right here. And then what you will do when you sign in, you can either click here and come down to where it says right here, where it says upload a video, or you can just simply click right here to upload a video too. And that should, well, it's going to bring that menu down and then click upload video. That brings us over here to this page right here. All right, so you can see right here, we're going to click right here to upload our video. And then we'll come to the downloads here, and we get the video right here, and you can see that it's uploading the video now, guys. And then what we want to do is we want to put in a video title here. Alrighty, so we're going to come back to the email swipes, and we're going to put one of these titles in right here. We can find the one that we like. We're going to use the title from that particular video, I think. So we'll right click and copy, come back over here to Rumble, and it's still down. I'm going to click right in there, since that's the name of the video that we're using right now. Okay, then we're going to put a video description in here, and for that I think we will, let's see, maybe we can get a little description off of here. Yeah, we'll just use this little description right here that this person has upper body days, and we'll come back right here and we will paste that description in right there. And then also we're going to put right here and see if you, and I'm going to come back here to our thing. I'm going to get some of this information. I'm going to use sort of a subject line off of here, copy that, bring that back over here. I'm going to paste that right in there too, sort of straighten it up, make it look a little bit better. And then so we put that in there, drink this Japanese, and it says click here. I'm going to type click here to watch the free video presentation. Yep, there we go. And then we're going to click here to watch this free presentation. And then what we would do is, now guys, I come over here and I've already stepped ahead a little bit in this video, and I click the promote button right here, and I got my affiliate. I'm going to make sure that your account nickname is in the box here. Click generate hop links, and then it gives you this hop link. Now I've already done this, and what I did was then is I came over here to rebrandly.com. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's rebrandly.com, and that's a site sort of like Bitly, where you can come and shorten your link, and you can see that right here is my Clickbank link, and it gave me this link right here. So if I copy that, and like I always tell you guys, you want to test these links out and make sure they do what you tell them to do or what you want them to do. And as you see, it does. It brings us right over there with our affiliate nickname right in there. So then what we want to do is come back to Rumble, and now we can paste that Bitly link or whatever shortener you want to use. I use Rebrandly. I kind of like their links look a little bit better even than Bitly to me here lately, so I've been using that. But it doesn't matter. You can paste that in there, and you can do that. That's one way. That's sending people directly landing page or the video sales letter site, right? What we want to do is we want to probably go one step farther. This is that second way I was telling you guys I was going to do this. So what I did was I came over here to this site right here, guys. You see it right here in the address bar. It's sites.google.com. You see right there. And what I did was I created a landing page right here. So instead of sending them people directly to the product, will run them back through a landing page. I come to sites.google.com and just simply created this little landing page here. I downloaded this picture from Google, put these words in here as another image off of Google I used, and it's how to lose 10 pounds in just 1 week with 4 tips. And I give the 4 tips. Eat fewer carbs, a little bit of information ahead. So what we're doing is we're giving more value to them for free to give them a little more incentive in our marketing to click our link, right? So tip number 1 is eat fewer carbs and more lean proteins. 2 is eat whole foods and avoid most processed junk foods. Tip number 3 is reduce your calorie intake. And then of course tip number 4, as you see right here, is watch the free video presentation right here. And if they click this right here, that's going to take them over here to our landing page or our product, where they can purchase the product right here, just like that, guys. So what we want to do, instead of putting our Rebrandly or our Bitly link in here, we'll just go ahead and backspace this out right here. A different title here we're going to put in here. I'm going to copy this out, back this out, and I'm going to come back here and I'm going to copy this right here, how to lose 10 pounds in 1 week, and we'll bring that back. We will paste that in here right there like that. How to burn, I'm going to say, yeah, 3 to 5 pounds, 3 pounds in about every 3 to 5 days, or 10 pounds in 1 week. And then I'll click right here and I'll say post in my link to my sites, my landing page here, guys. You see, you guys can create this too. Just go to sites.google.com. It's a free place. You can create free websites through Google product. That's the Google product, guys. It's free to use. And then you can create your own landing page, simple like you see what I've done here. And then just put some information in there. And then you want to copy this link right up here. You can even use your own domain. Google will let you add your own domain. So then we're going to copy that link. And then we're going to bring it back over here, and we're going to paste it right in here, just like that, guys. So instead of sending them straight to the product page or the video sales letter page, we're going to have them go through our landing page. And then from the landing page, they'll go over from there. So we give them more value than just even the video here. I think at that point, and then all you want to do is we can pick a thumbnail right here we want to use. So I think I'll just pick this one right here. Click on that thumbnail, and then what we'll do is we're going to put some tags in here like lose weight, comma, weight loss, comma, flat belly, anything that you think people will type into the search engine right here on Rumble, and that will cause your video to come up where they'll be able to see this. All right, looks like we're getting a little thing here. This site is all. This title is already associated with other media. So what we'll do is we'll create a different title up here. How to lose, we'll just put that title right there. How to lose 10 pounds in 1 week. That'll get them to watch that video. How to lose 10 pounds in 1 week. And then you want to put your tags in there. You can put as many tags as you want. 5 or 6 ought to be good. Flat belly, fat loss, or fat, lose fat, that should be good right there. And then you don't worry about this right here. All you do is just click on upload right here, guys, and that will put it up on the site. And then here you go. So it shows it right here, and it comes up, and we've got additional information that you can put in here if you want. And if you do or don't want to use that, want to make sure you check here about any of the terms of service right there. You have not signed an exclusive agreement with any other parties, and so on and so forth. Check those 2 boxes, and then just simply click on submit here, guys, and that should upload it onto the site here in just a few moments. So guys, that's how you do that. It's going to take it a minute to get it up there on the site and get it live, but that's how you do that. You get your video, pick a video that's got a good amount of views on it out of Creative Commons, and then get your product, and then come back over to Rumble, and that's where you're going to upload it, and then go to sites.google.com, create a little landing page, and if you don't want to direct them straight from Rumble over to the product, you should probably bring them through a landing page and give them more value and let them go over to the product from your landing page link like you see right here. When they click on that, that takes them over to the product right there. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you like this method, which is a really good method, and you just want to keep doing this over and over with many different products, the more you post, the better it will be for terms for you making money with Clickbank or Digistore 24. Alrighty, guys, if you like that video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell down there below. And also, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down there below the video, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you want to see my free presentation that I have, my free presentation video on affiliate marketing, click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and have a look at that free presentation that I have that'll help you become a high-ticket affiliate marketer yourself. Okay? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.